I'll try. I'll try my best. Ja shogjaleju oprezhde qemja në email vividu obidet vas mojdi. Ja znaju vi bezbokojte o redznicte kulturi, no vi znajete kto ja ne zabočus poetomu pođališta prostite etogo človeka. Čemija nije mel vivi bez shit, it's hard. Ja shogjaleju oprezhde čemija ne email vividu obit vas mojdi. Ja znaju vi bezpojčite o različite kulturi, no vi znajete sorry, čo je na zabočću poetomu pođalusta prestite etog človeka. I will read it in English now because I'm not sure that you will understand this. I'm sorry about before. I didn't mean to offend you. Really. I know you're worried about difference of culture, but you know that I don't care. So please, forgive me. I don't know about the music, really. Sometimes I listen to dubstep or music like that. I'm just sorry. Can you forgive me? Look, sometimes this work. Come on.